Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today we're going to take a look in the box of the Gosund Smart Light Switch. And now it works with Google Smart Assistant, also Amazon Alexa, so you can control it with voice. And it works with their own app. The Gosund app not only tells you how to hook it up and wire it, but then also be able to control it from anywhere based on Wi-Fi. These are not dimmer switches, so you can't use them with a three-way. So keep that in mind. If you're looking for a three-way switch, this is not what you're going to want to order. Now, the other thing that's kind of cool with this, it also will integrate with IFTTT, so you can always create these online recipes of when to control them, or even, hey, you can maybe do something even crazier. Here's an idea. So maybe set this up either in a house or maybe in a store, and every time someone likes a page, maybe set up an IFTTT recipe to turn on a light and then turn it back off. Just an idea. That'd be kind of cool. Let you know that someone liked a page or watched your video. That's a really cool idea. Hey, go me, right? Anyway, so this is the 4-piece smart light switch and requires no hub, so you don't have to worry about, oh, I need to get some other device and hook it up. These are going to put the power out. They're also ETL and FCC, I believe FCC listed. So that's always a good thing. So let's just see anything else here. Rated for 15 amps, so you want a 15 amp max switch, 110 volts. All that fun stuff. You can go to their site and it talks about, you can get some more information there on the box as well. So let's go ahead and see actually what's in the box. So just a pretty plain brown box inside there, and then we see all the smart switches. Now if you have some electrical abilities, make sure you turn off the power before you work on it, but it should be pretty easy and straightforward to work with. Has some nice, decent quality and heft to it, so it doesn't feel just like a cheap, flimsy switch. You see the little Wi-Fi logo, and then we have our different wires on the back there, so you can easily hook it up into your power. Also in the box, it comes with some of our caps here, as well as our screws to screw down the outlet. Nice. And it also comes with some face plates. So we have our plastic face plates, which is really cool. You almost never see something like this. So even though it's a normal size, you have the white face plate there. It's gonna sit right in the socket there, and you're good to go. I'm really looking forward to checking these out and plugging them in. So make sure you stay tuned with us. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date when we post the actual review video. I'm really excited about these because I've had other ones in the past, but they need to have a hub, and some other ones are just really annoying or they don't work from far away. So I'm looking forward to really checking out the app, and also looking at how do I get it to work with the let's see, like it says you can use the Smart Life app through Amazon Alexa. I can tell it on and off, and also doing one of these IFTTT recipes. Pretty cool. So that's really what's in the box, and it says the company on Facebook to win a monthly giveaway, and then we have more of those little items and the faceplates in the box. So that's what we have here. This is again the Gosund Smart Light Switch. This is model SW1. Really looking forward to checking these out, and just overall just excited about this, and hopefully it should be really great. It says FCC on the back, ETL listed, recyclable packaging, pretty straightforward. I do like the quality that these look like. They are actually a decent quality product, so really looking forward to checking that out. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we shall see you soon.